So you love ChatGPT, but you run out of too many instances of ChatGPT 4, so you can't search the internet. If you're like me, this is a problem you run into all the time. ChatGPT 4 limits you to only 25 uses over 3 hours. And when I'm digging into work, I can blow through that in an hour sometimes, especially by making adjustments and prompts. But there's a solution, and one I think you're going to like. In fact, you may even want to use it with ChatGPT 4, and that is web chat for ChatGPT. And I want to show that to you today. It's a Chrome plugin that you add to your browser, and at the bottom you're going to see just this extra little bar that shows up. Again, WebChatGPT. Here's what it looks like on the Chrome store. There's a number of things that it does for you, not the least of which it gives you full internet access. You can grab results from web pages. You can go ahead and extract text from a URL. You can even build prompt templates, which I'm going to show you as well, an added feature that it has if you use different prompts on a regular basis. This is a great tool, and I want to show you how easily it works. So go to Chrome, install the extension, and once you're there, it automatically adds this. Super easy, ready to go. I can turn my web access on or off. If I turn it off, it operates just the way it always does. But now I can turn it on and get access to ChatGPT 3.5 and full web access. I can change my results here. Do I want full insights, partial insights, quick lookup? I like the quick lookup, so I recommend that. I also tend to go with maximum results as I want to see the results it has. Anytime I can choose it at different times. If I'm looking for maybe a news story that I wanted to do for maybe yesterday, I could have it search just for that. And then I have my default prompt, but I also, and I'll show you in a minute here, can add in new prompts that I can do. But for now, we'll leave it on the default prompt. And I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to ask it to write a Facebook post for me. So please write a Facebook post. Let's go and actually find something to promote here. So I'm going to go to my blog here a minute. And let's go ahead and click on my blog. We're going to show you the benefits of the web. So I recently just did a blog post here about video marketing for electricians. So let's go ahead and copy that address. Go back over here. Write me a Facebook post announcing or promoting my new blog post at there. And let's say go. Notice I'm not going to tell it anything about it. I'm just going to say go. You notice it's going out, it's processing, it's thinking, it's searching, and it's going to come back here and it's going to give us some information here. So you see a lot of stuff pop up. First of all, it starts with the script that it did. And again, I did this all in 3.5. No plugins through ChatGPT 4. Didn't have to use the terrible Bing search that they give. Yes, I don't like it. That's another video, but here's what they did. It gave this in, and then it gave me the references. So it took a look at Facebook about how to introduce to page promotions. That's good. It may want to know that. It looked at Social Media Examiner, how to promote blog posts. Wow, I didn't tell it to do that. It just went ahead and found that. It also looked about boosting posts, more from blog promotion tips, how to promote content on Facebook. So it referenced all of this information all the way to go down from lots of very reputable sites to pull the information from my new blog post. And sure, here it is. So sure, here's a Facebook post promoting your blog post. Exciting news for electricians. Check out my latest blog post on video marketing strategies specifically tailored to electricians. I'm not going to go ahead and summarize it, but it already does give me a great information, and then reminds me, I should say, to put my link in. So I can create an effective Facebook post. It also then gives me some tips. And again, you can see up here where it pulled all that from. This is especially helpful if you need to reference things. Maybe you're writing a blog post or you're creating a report and you need to reference it. This tool is going to actually give you the reference sites so you can actually go out and add those in as a footnote. Hugely valuable. So the other thing that this does that I think is just amazing is I can actually save prompts with this. So I'm going to go ahead. You can see here I've got a couple prompts that I've saved. You literally just type in the name and then we type in. So let's go ahead and do, let's try a test prompt here. Actually, I'll do one of my Midjourney ones. So Midjourney prompt. I begin by clicking on query. I need to type in what it's going to look at. And I'm going to go ahead and grab one of my Midjourney prompts here. So we'll grab the ultimate Midjourney prompt that I use. And I'm going to paste that in. So in this case, it says, please take the article title and use it to create a powerful Midjourney AI image, blah, 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 blah. I put in the title. I'm going to then have it add in two variables, the date and the web results that it used to find that. And I'm going to save this. And now you can see I have a new prompt over here. So if I go back into ChatGPT and I create a new chat, and I now go over under my default prompts, I now have three. I have how to create my default blog, my looped, and my default Midjourney prompt. So again, take a look. This plugin is WebChatGPT. It's fantastic. It's free, and it gives you the ability to run as many direct web queries as you want directly using ChatGPT 3.5 with no limitations. I recommend you go download it now. Make it a great day.